Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the first fixes. You should plug the keyboard into a USB port to create a stable baseline. This shows whether delay is wireless. Once done, remove extra USB hubs and try a different port to rule out power or hub latency. Make sure to quit resource-heavy applications and background sync so CPU and I/O aren't spiking. Finally, check battery level and replace batteries or recharge if wireless, because low power often causes intermittent lag. Next, you tackle drivers and system settings that influence responsiveness. You should open Device Manager and update the keyboard and USB controller drivers. If update fails, uninstall and reinstall them, then reboot. Once done, adjust keyboard repeat rate and delay to repeat in your operating system to reduce perceived lag. Make sure to change power management for USB root hubs. Disable selective suspend so ports stay fully powered. If using Bluetooth, remove the device and pair it again to refresh the connection stack. Finally, you perform fine-tuning and a decisive troubleshooting step. You should test the keyboard on a second computer or try a different keyboard on yours to isolate hardware versus system causes. Once isolated, adjust polling rate via manufacturer software. Higher polling, 125 to 1000 Hz, lowers input latency. Make sure drivers support it. If problems persist, reset keyboard firmware or reinstall vendor utility. One key troubleshooting tip. If delay remains after all steps, boot to a clean OS install or safe mode to rule out software conflicts before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.